Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we are going to review how to use the walk test feature on the GC Touch panel. This is after you installed your sensors and program them to your alarm panel. The walk test allows you to activate the sensors, and it will show up on a list on the panel screen letting you know that the sensor is communicating. And it'll show some information about the sensor as well, so let's go ahead and show those. All right, so again, we have our GC Touch panel. Before we enter walk tests, really for anything that you do on this panel, before you go into settings, you want to make sure the panel is disarmed, which it clearly is, so that's good. So walk test settings icon. For this one, you can enter in either your master code or the installer code. Either option is fine. I'm going to use the installer code. 1561 and then enter. Okay, so that's going to bring us to this next page here. We are going to do equipment management, and then we will do system test. Okay, and this is going to give us our test options. Today we're just going to focus on walk test. So walk test, once this is active, basically we are going to activate the sensors to make sure that they are communicating with the panel itself. All right, so I will start. I'm going to open and close my front door. Perfect, that came in. And then I'm going to activate my motion sensor. Excellent. So when you activate the sensors, you see that it's going to give us the LED response. Perfect. It's going to show up on the list here. Front door, living room. Living room is my motion sensor. And then you'll continue this for each sensor that you have. And then that's just going to make sure that they're all communicating with the panel itself. It's also, besides just showing you that the sensors are communicating, it's going to show you some information about the sensor. So zone number, obviously that's the number that we have the sensor programmed to. And then the device name, living room, front door. And in case these are showing backwards, we did exit programming and go back in. So just so you know. And then RSSI, that is basically like a signal strength. So higher the number, the better. Lowest you'd be okay at would be like a 3 or a 2. But yeah, essentially it is showing us the signal strength from the sensor to the panel. Right now I have the sensors pretty close, so that's why it's a very high number for those. Okay, so that is the walk test feature. As you saw, we tested our sensors, make sure they're communicating with the panel, showed how to access that menu there. So it's very useful just to make sure everything is working after you get everything installed. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you had any questions, our phone number is 888-818-7728. Our email address is support@alarmgrid.com. And if you come to our website, www.alarmgrid.com, we have a live chat feature there as well, so feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to assist you. Again, my name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.